Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the hotkeys right here in cTrader. And I will show you exactly what you need to do if you want to install some hotkeys for your trading. So what we're going to do first of all is go right here to settings and click right there on hotkeys. And right now you will find right here a list with all the hotkeys. So let's say we want to switch our layout, and I am having that now on F3, but I want to change this. Then we click right here on F3. Select now the key that we want to use. So now we created to this button right here. And now if I click right here on the cross and I do this button that I did, now you see that we can change the layout right here with the hotkey. So this is how it works. So if you want to install something different, go to hotkeys, search right here what you want to do, click on it, select the key, and this is how you can use hotkeys. So hopefully this was the video we was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.